Hi Lana. So I'll go with a small intro of myself, which is like I'm currently working for Westpac as a project manager and currently working on a major program for Westpac, which is digitalization transformation of major ecosystem for mortgage lending origination and digital banking. So we are bringing down to 196 ecosystems towards to one business platform based on Oracle, and this is currently I'm working with. And going towards to the question, I would say the first question, which is like, why did I apply and what made me go for this role at BPS? So I would say like I do have like extensive experience in service delivery management ICT in the ICT industry, and also have an extensive proven experience of delivering a project up to 8 million for major bank. And also I have the certification of ITIL version 4, which is basically go to resolving the small to major issues and driving down the process and procedures. So I have the specifically I'm drawn to the roles which being allows me to leverage my experience in agile and also ITIL methodologies to streamline process and drive efficiency within the company's operation. So additionally track to record of successful managing the complex projects and also dealing with different stakeholders at different levels, and also managing the resources reporting to me directly and not reporting to me directly, which cross-functional. I have proven myself to be a successful industry claimed project manager for one of the major bank, which is Westpac. And the second question I would say like describe my skill set and like a zone of genius. I like that part, and how this would help me to be successful in this role. So my zone of genius is lies in the intersection of between like project management, IT service delivery, and leadership. I possesses a deep understanding of agile and ITIL methodologies, which allow me to be established and oversee efficient process and optimization of resources, utilization of the resources at the right point within the right area where it should be utilized. And as I said earlier, like I have delivered the major project for Westpac when I was working as a contractor for them. Um, at the time I was a Dell Technologies project manager, so that's how I got offered to be part of Westpac. And I delivered the project when Westpac have started using 2017 Oscar payment. That was the project I was leading, worth of $8 million. So I have successfully done the stakeholder management, risk management, resource management, and also execution of the project from end to end and the completion of the project. Furthermore, like I know how virtualization work, cloud computing, if it's Azure or Microsoft Azure, or it's a Microsoft product, or if it's a VMware product. I have the knowledge of it in deep to understand how the technology works. And out of one of my standout strengths in ability to build rapport quickly and collaborate successfully at all level of organization. So this skill facilitates effective communication and teamwork, enabling me to work closely with the teams, and also understanding what are the administered key IT tools like ServiceNow, Jira, and Remedy to streamline operations. And also one of the standout strengths I would say is like I can gel together with the team quickly, understanding what kind of pinpoints they have, what are the pain and the gain they have, how we can win as a team, and how we can win as an organization to hit the targets or meet our vision and mission statements. And in summary, I would say like it sets combines technical capability I have, like which I have done. I started my career as a level 2 at Dell Technologies in call center. So I used to deal with the day-to-day issues like setting up a laptop, or someone have a brand new laptop, dealing with someone with the different companies like Microsoft having issues, a customer having an issue with the setup of Microsoft Office on their laptops, or for organizations when they have their own operating system, and help them to understand and help them out with their issues. And moving down to the third question, what would be your biggest challenge would be if you were successful in this role? So I like to be challenged, and I work hard to understand and make that challenge as my strength rather than taking it as a challenge and getting worried. So I work on that challenge effectively and efficiently, try to make it easiest way for me that I don't feel it as more challenge. so I looked for something else. And the challenge, I would say, like, it's kind of a different industry which I really admire, helping people. And also during this crunch situation everywhere, not in Australia, everywhere in the world, BPS is doing such a kind of a great job. I have gone through the company profile, like how naturally we were trying to heal people with different issues. So it's one of the big thing. Like if we are on top of our technology side, I think we will really win-win situation for BPS. And to address the challenges, I'm committed to active learning, collaborating with the existing leadership team and the employees, and leveraging the adaptability, problem solving skills and experience. I would say it will help me really to pass that challenge kind of thing. But I believe I may need a couple of weeks to understand the whole process from start to end to effectively utilize my knowledge and experience to bring up the team or I'm working with to the right point where the leadership team is looking to have the IT team to be. So the fourth question is, as a CEO, I will be working closely with the leadership team, and something about me interesting, which why would I be in that room? One of the interesting thing is like one interesting aspect of my professional journey is ability to bridge gap between the technical expertise and effective leadership. With my background in deeply rooted in IT and project management, I have honed my leadership skills to successfully manage teams cross-functionally and directly, and projects with focus on delivering high outcomes, which I believe BPS is looking for. And what sets me apart from the component of fostering a culture, collaboration, and continuous improvement, I firmly believe, I believe that the innovation and success arises from diverse perspectives and open communication, which I am. I always believe in, like as the third question says, biggest challenge. I think any challenge can be worked out, solution can be found if you have a clear communication, being on the front foot and share the right information with the right people at the right time is very important, and everything goes smooth. So that's what leadership teams want, because I don't want my leader to be sitting in a meeting room where he or she doesn't have the right information to deliver to the board of directors and all those ones on the higher end. So I believe that's very important, and which I do have. I'm a good communicator, I am an active listener, and I do understand what are the functional and non-functional requirements which needs to be passed out to the team, and which detail needs to be kept with me so we can work together with the leadership team. And I would be an asset in the room because of my proven track record in successfully delivering all my roles, where I am very confident that I can even give my current manager or the previous manager to previous manager, I can give anyone's reference and they will highly talk about me. And also, in summary, I would say my passion for driving positive change, adaptability, and the ability to build strong relationship with the valuable addition to any leadership team. And I believe I can deliver this role very successfully, not knowing who is my competent, but I can beat them very well in a good race. Thank you.